Hi friends, this is Nageshwar. Welcome to my channel ITbot143. In this tutorial, I will show you how to use columns in Microsoft Office Publisher 2007. Open Publisher 2007. We can use columns in Publisher to aid in the layout of a publication page. Setting up text columns using layout guides is useful if you are working with a publication that does not have pre-designed text columns. For example, if you are creating a newsletter from scratch rather than from a pre-designed template. We have two ways to create columns, manually and let the computer do that for us. Here I got a blank document, and to create columns, come to Arrange menu, select Layout Guides, come to Grid Guides tab, select the number of columns we want, and we can also add spacing. After selecting the columns, click on OK. By using these columns as references, I want to create few text boxes. Click on Text Box and draw a text box, taking the columns as the reference. Again, I want to create two more text boxes, but this time I don't want to select text box. Simply, I will copy the existing text box. For that, come to Edit, click on Copy. Again, come to Edit, select Paste. Now we got the text box. Drag it into the next column. By using the columns as references, we can create text boxes uniformly. Again, I want to create one more text box. Come to Edit, Copy, Edit, Paste, and drag it to third column. After this, we can enter the text into these boxes. Remember that these columns will not be shown while printing. Now let's start second method. Before that, we need to remove the columns. Again, come to the Arrange, select Layout Guides, come to Grid Guides. Here I want to remove the columns. Click on OK. Notice that the text boxes are perfectly in uniform. To start the second method, we need to create a text box. Normally, a text box starts with a single column, but we can add more without creating new text boxes. In Publisher, it is easy to turn any text box into equally spaced columns of the same size. For that, come to Format menu and select Text Box. Here, please go to Text Box tab, click on Columns, choose the number of columns we want to divide a text box into, and control the spacing between the text and the column boundary. I'm keeping it as default. Click on OK and come to Format Text Box, click on OK. Now we got 4 equal parts in the text box, and we can enter the text. When we add the text into the columns that we have created by dividing a text box, if the text fills in one column, it automatically flows into the next column. But if there are some text already in the text box, and to create columns for this, select the text box, come to Format, click on Text Box. Here, please come to Text Box tab, click on Columns and enter the number of columns and spacing we require, and I will keep default spacing, and click on OK. Again, in Format Text Box, click on OK, and we got the columns automatically created by the computer. Here, please widen the text box. Now the text is not uniform in all the columns. So to share this text equally in all the columns, simply reduce the height and observe the changes going on. Reduce the height until it shares the text equally in all the columns. If we got A with 3 dots, text is overflowing from the text box columns, just increase the height. Now we got the text nicely balanced in all the columns. Like this, we can use columns in Microsoft Office Publisher 2007. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click on like button and please share this video with your friends. And please visit my channel ITbot143 to watch more latest uploaded videos. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you friends. Have a nice day.